This is going to be a quick tutorial to show you how to unlink your desktop from your OneDrive. So if you don't want, when you put stuff on your desktop, if you don't want it uploading to OneDrive, eating up your bandwidth or whatever the reasons may be that you don't want it uploaded, there is a way to unlink it. It's just really difficult to find out how. So the quick, easy way that I know how to do it is to go to your Explorer folder, go to your OneDrive folder, find your desktop, right click on your desktop, go to Properties, go to Location, and you'll notice right here it's located in Users, Me, OneDrive, Desktop. Just click on Restore Defaults. It's going to remove OneDrive, and it's just going to be simply your desktop, and then click Apply. And then just click Yes. And then Yes again. And then OK. And that's all there is to it on how to unlink your desktop from OneDrive. You could do that for any folder the same way. Your Documents folder, your Videos folder, whatever folders you don't want backing up to OneDrive or syncing with OneDrive, that is how you do it. If this video has helped you, how about leaving a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, share this channel with somebody. I would appreciate it. And you have a good day.